In these eyes, I see the future. One that is shaped by the knowledge I gain, the discoveries I make, and the service I give. At Universitas Indonesia, my vision is guided by the Tridharma: to learn, to innovate, and to serve. I step through these gates not just as a student, but as a seeker of wisdom, of truth, of a place where my ideas can grow. In every lecture, every debate, I find more than just answers. I find questions that push me to think deeper, to learn more. Education here is not just about what I know, but about who I am becoming. In the quiet hum of the lab, I discover the power of curiosity. Through research, I dive into the unknown, seeking solutions that can change the world. At Universitas Indonesia, my pursuit of knowledge is endless, and my discoveries boundless. Beyond the walls of the university, I reach out into the heart of communities, where my hands bring change and my heart connects. Here, service is not an obligation, but a calling. And through it, I learn the true meaning of impact. In this journey, I find that education, research, and service are not separate paths, but intertwined, each one strengthening the other. I rise through these pillars, becoming more than I ever thought possible. Universitas Indonesia, I rise not just for myself, but for the world. My journey has just begun, and the impact I seek is already taking shape. Will you rise with me?